Hey, this is Rob with Hero First Real Estate. I'm here just to give you a little DIY tip for your exterior spigots and water pipes. So tonight here in Texas, we're expected to have a freeze. So to cover your pipes and ensure that any standing water that may be in here doesn't freeze and potentially cause leaks in your pipes, you want to make sure that they're insulated. So this actual pipe here is outside of the brick exterior of my home. So one thing I've done is covered it here with a foam noodle. This is just something that you would normally have for like your swimming pool. Very easy to use. You can also actually get the insulation from hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, something like that. Now for the actual spigot, you can purchase the spigot covers from Lowe's or Home Depot, or you can do the DIY method and take you a towel like I'm doing right here. First, make sure that you disconnect any water hose that you may have, because you don't want that sealing up if it does freeze. So you cover that. Take you a plastic bag, the Walmart bag. Put it to where from the top down, that way if any water does get into the bag, it should flow down and find a hole in the bottom of the bag to get out. Cover that thing up like that, tie it down, and you're good to go. So when you cover these things, if you cover it with a towel or something that actually will soak in and hold moisture, you want to make sure you cover it with a plastic bag as well, because if you don't cover it with the plastic bag, the towel soaks in the moisture, you're kind of defeating the purpose because it could potentially freeze itself. So just a quick DIY tip from Hero First Real Estate. And need anything from us, give us a shout. Our website is www.satxherohomes.com.